The truck.
Oh, yeah. I have to picture too much while I say it. What's that? I have to picture my phone also.
Latitude of can you send us a ticket? We just got waved down for East 136 East 57th Street, Jay. 136 East 57? 10-4. What you got going on there? Report of a person having a seizure. Can you make sure you have a CFRD engine and EMS response, Jay?
Right, that's not accurate, right?
Well, 28 special 302.
Look at those curb shots. Fuck, all over here. Over here. Oh. You're not wrong. He's talking and over here. I had a black hat for you. Look at that, right? That's fine yellow. Oh, shit. The rims are good. Curb shot. They like that. Black magic. Good. You fucking curb shot the whole on one of fucking W hotel.
Right, that's your one. 810 spot. 1249 special 302.
I need to see her.
You're like my wife when I'm in the car.
I need to see her. Don't mind this guy. Just let the house watch me know you.
Thank you.
When you leave that.
I will.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, brother.
You got it.
I appreciate it.
Latitude. I just want to let you know that the patient is going to be on the 4th floor of this location. That floor, man. That's engine 8? Engine 8 responding, box 918. 10-4, engine 8 responding. 1251, section 3.